Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
So we're about to do some rolling, and we're going to be using Dulux wash and wear. We've got the big tray, and we got the 330, 340 roller sleeve, and the Dulux Excellence Juggernaut roller frame, and the long pole.
Looks like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words.
For our first coat, it doesn't matter whether we're wet on wet. This is wash and wear, so this is pretty good quality paint. It doesn't matter for the first coat. It's the next coat, the second coat, that matters. We try and keep it wet on wet. So using the spray gun as a brush, basically, I'll be spraying it and then rolling that wall at the same time. So we got wet on wet. We're not going to have any picture framing.